ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-16 किं कर्म किमकर्मेति 4-17 कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यम प्लस 4-18 कर्मण्यकर्मयः पश्येत्, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. Let us first do श्लोकपाठः, पदच्छेदाः, वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणं च for each श्लोकः. So for 4-16 किं कर्म किमकर्मेति कवयोऽप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्षसे शुभात्. पदच्छेदैः किं कर्म किम् अकर्म इति कवयः अपि अत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्षसे अशुभात्. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्. किं कर्म उच्यते किम् अकर्म उच्यते इति अत्र कवयः अपि मोहिताः. ते तत्कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा अशुभात् त्वं मोक्षसे. Note, for 1a and 1b I have taken uchyate to be the implicit tingantah. At 1c the avyayam api goes well with the kartrupadiyah kavayah. At 2c kartrupadiyah tvam is inherent to the tingantah mokshase, madhyam purush. Now to 4-17 कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः. पदच्छेदैः कर्मणः हि अपि बोद्धव्यं बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणः च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणः गतिः. वाक्यांशः विशेषणं हि अपि कर्मणः कर्म बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः कर्म बोद्धव्यं च अकर्मणः कर्म बोद्धव्यं कर्मणः गतिः गहना. Note, for 1-3 the most appropriate implicit kartrupadiyah is karma. कर्मण्यकर्मयः पश्येद अकर्मणि च कर्मयः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु सयुक्तः कृष्णकर्मकृत्. This is now 4-18. पदच्छेदैः कर्मणि अकर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः सः बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु सः युक्तः कृत्स्नकर्मकृत्. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्. कर्मणि यः अकर्म पश्येत् च अकर्मणि यः कर्म पश्येत् मनुष्येषु सः बुद्धिमान् सः युक्तः कृत्स्नकर्मकृत्. Actually, there need not have been 3 and 4 separate. Okay. At 4, Sahayuktaha Krishna Karmakrut, all are Kartrupadiyah. It becomes logical to take 3 and 4 separately because Saha is repeating as the Kartrupadiyah. So, Manusheshu Saha Buddhiman, Saha Yuktaha Krishna Karmakrut. Okay, good. Now we shall proceed with padabhyasaha of all padaha of all 3 shlokaha. Padabhyasa. The padani to be studied from these 3 shlokaha are kim iti kavayaha api atra mohitaha tat te pravakshyami yat jnatva mokshase ashubhat hi bodhavyam gahana gatihi yaha pashyet buddhiman manushyeshu yuktaha kritsna karmakrit. Now into bracket karma akarma karmanaha vikarmanaha akarmanaha karmani akarmani. The 5 words iti api atra hi cha are avyayani. The 7 words in parenthesis are variants of karma. The words karma and akarma are both kartrupadiyah and karmapadiyah. Note, karma karman napusakalingam prathama va dvitiya ekvachanam. So when it is karmapadiya, it is dvitiya. When it is kartrupadiya, it is prathama. In karmanaha vikarmanaha akarmanaha कर्मणः कर्मन् नपुंसकलिंगम पंचमी व षष्ठी एकवचनम. इन कर्मणि अकर्मणि कर्मणि कर्मन् नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम. नोट, न कर्म इति अकर्म न तत्पुरुषः एंड विरुद्धम विपरीतम वा कर्म इति विकर्म प्रादि तत्पुरुषः. Now we shall study the padabhyasa of all the padaha apart from this karma, akarma, karmanaha, vikarmanaha, etc. The rest of them. Kim sarvanamikam visheshanam atra napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Kavayah, kavi, poet, Maggie, visheshanam atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Kavi, adjective, ku i unadi 4-138, omniscient, kavim puranam manushasitaram, intelligent, clever, wise, kavir mukavat atmanam sadrushtya darshenrunam, thinking, thoughtful, praiseworthy. Kavihi, a wise man, a thinker, a sage. Kavinam ushana kavihi. This is from Bhagavad Gita 10.37. Mohitaha. Muh चतुर्थगणीयः परस्मैपदी तस्य नीचः प्रयोजक कॉजेटिव क्त विशेषणं मोहित अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. मुह मुहं वैचित्ये टू लूज सेंसेस, टू फेंट, टू बी फूलिश, टू एर. दिवादि चतुर्थगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः वेट. तत् तत् सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. ते युष्मत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम. प्रवक्ष्यामि प्रवच इति धातुः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी तस्य लृटि फ्यूचर टेंस उत्तम पुरुषः एकवचनम. वच वचं परिभाषणे टू स्पीक, टू टेल, टू टॉक. अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट्. प्रवच प्रवचनं कर्तव्यम. So pravachanam is explanation, elaborate, delineation. So pravakshami, I will delineate elaborately. Yat yat sarvanama atra napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Jnatva jna navaganimyah parasmapadi tasya ktvantam avyayam. Jna avabodhane, to know, to realize, to understand. क्रियादि नवमगणीय परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. मोक्षसे मुच तस्य कर्मणि प्रयोगे लृटि मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम. मुच मुच ऋङ् मोक्षणे टू फ्री, टू लिबरेट, टू लीव, टू रिलीज, टू लूजन, टू अबैंडन. तुदादि षष्ठगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. अशुभात् अशुभ विशेषणम् अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. न शुभम इति अशुभम न तत्पुरुषः. शुभ एडजेक्टिव शुभ क. देयर आर डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स. आई हैव ब्लॉक्ड द मीनिंग नंबर 1 and 2. ऑस्पिशियस, लकी, हैप्पी, फॉर्चुनेट, एमिनेंट, गुड, वर्चुअस. बोद्धव्यम बुद्ध धातोः तव्यत् विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. बुद्ध बुद्धि बोधने, टू नो, टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू बी अवेकन्ड विथ नॉलेज, टू बी रिस्टोर्ड टू सेंसेस, टू थिंक, टू लर्न. भ्वादि प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट. और बुद्ध बुधं अवगमने, टू नो, टू अंडरस्टैंड. दिवादि चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. फॉर बोथ बुद्धव्यम इज तव्यत् विशेषणम्. गहना गहन गहन विशेषणम अत्र स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम गहना. नोट गहन एडजेक्टिव impervious, impenetrable, impassable, inaccessible, hard to be understood, gahana. Inexplicable, mysterious. Gatihi, gati, नाम स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. यह यत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. पश्येत दृश इति धातुः तस्य विधिलिङ्गलकारे प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं। दृश् दृशिण् प्रेक्षणे टु सी टु लुक् भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्। सः तत् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं। बुद्धिमान् बुद्धिमत् विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं। मनुष्येषु मनुष्य नाम सप्तमी बहुवचनं। युक्तः युज् इति धातुः तस्य क्तविशेषणं युक्त। युक्तः पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं। युज् युजिण् योगे टु बाइंड टु रिस्ट्रेन टु जॉइन टु यूनाइट टु अप्लाई टु कंबाइन। रुधादि सप्तमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्। कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् प्रातिपदिकं विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं। कृत्स्नं कर्म इति कृत्स्नकर्म कर्मधारयः। कृत्स्नकर्म करोति इति कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् उपपत् तत्पुरुषः। कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् is equal to doing all actions. Kritsna means all. Karma actions. Krit doing. Kritsna karma krit doing all actions. Saramshatah overall meaning. Kim karma kim akarma iti kavayah api atra mohitaha. What karma is, what akarma is, in this regard even the wise are confused. Tatte karma pravakshami yajñatva mokshase ashubhat. I shall explain that karma. On knowing that, you will be free of all negativities. Ashubha. Karmanah hi api bodhavyam. Bodhavyamcha vikarmanah. Karma is to be understood by karma, karmanah. Also by vikarma, vikarmanah. That is, by its antithesis. Akarmanah cha bodhavyam. Gahna karmanah gatihi. Karma is to be understood also by akarma. Knowing karma is a difficult proposition. Karmani akarmayah pashyet, akarmani cha karmayah. One who can see akarma in karma, karmani akarma. And karma in akarma, akarmani cha karma. Saha buddhiman manusheshu, saha yuktaha krishna karma krit. Such person is the most intelligent. He is most connected with the yuktaha, connected with the supreme. Even when he is indulgent in all karma, Krishna karma krit. Chando Vishleषण. Kim karma kim karmeti अष्टाक्षराणि मकर्मे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे कवयोप्यत्र मोहिताः अष्टाक्षराणि त्रमोहि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि अष्टाक्षराणि प्रवक्ष्या एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे यज्ञात्वा मोक्षसेषु वा अष्टाक्षराणि क्षसेषु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः इन 4-16 कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यम् अष्टाक्षराणि बोद्धव्य एका द्वे बोद्धव्यञ्च विकर्मणः अष्टाक्षराणि विकर्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यम् अष्टाक्षराणि श्च बोद्धव्यम् एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे गहना कर्मणो गतिः अष्टाक्षराणि कर्मणो ग एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः इन 4-17 कर्मण्यकर्मयः पश्येत् अष्टाक्षराणि कर्मय पश्ये एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे दकर्मणि च कर्मयः अष्टाक्षराणि च कर्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका सबुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु अष्टाक्षराणि मनुष्येषु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे सयुक्त कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् अष्टाक्षराणि स्नकर्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः इन 4-18 टिप्पण्यः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी न कर्म इति अकर्म नै तत्पुरुषः is too simplistic a vigraha vakya. The upapadam a is the first word in Sanskrit dictionary. It lends negativity to the meaning of the succeeding padam. The negativity is of 6 types, as explained in a shloka. Tassadrishyam abhavascha तदन्यत्वं तदल्पता अप्राशस्त्यं विरोधश्च नयार्थाः षट्प्रकीर्तिताः तत्सादृश्यम. There is likeness, but it is not the same. A photocopy Xerox is an example. Abhavaha cha, there is deficiency. Tadanyatmam, oh, it is different only. Tadalpata, it is incomplete. Aprashastyam, not commendable. Virodhacha, it is opposite. Nayarthaha shat prakirtita, there are 6 types of well-known negativities. By the above detail of Nayarthaha, the meaning Viruddham Viparitam va karma iti vikarma is included in the meaning of akarma. Yet, all the mention that karma is to be understood by karma, also by vikarma, that is by its antithesis, karma is to be understood also by akarma, all this is for clarity. In spite of this clarity, the mention, one who can see akarma in karma and karma in akarma, sounds cryptic. Saint Dhaneshwar explains this interestingly. Even if there is your image in the water, in the pond, does that quench your thirst? This is akarma in karma. The image is karma, and it cannot quench your thirst is akarma. There is sunrise and sunset. The sun transits without moving really. This is karma in akarma. Transits karma. Without moving, akarma. When the sun sets on the horizon, on the seashore, does the sun really get drowned? This is akarma in karma. Does not get drowned, akarma. Sets in the horizon, karma. Although Sri Krishna Bhagavan says, Tatte karma pravakshami, one is left wondering whether karma has been really explained here. Some years back, I was looking for a statement which can be taken to be the definition of karma. I started scanning from the 3rd chapter, since its title is Karma Yoga. Then Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. There is word karma there also. Nama Chaturthodhyaya. Also, Karma Sannyasa Yoga Nama Panchamodhyaya. However, I landed at Bhuta Bhavod Bhavakaro Visargaha Karma Saudnitaha. Here, karma is Saudnita, defined as Bhuta Bhavod Bhavakaro Visargaha. May I discuss this when I shall come to 8-3? Maybe I should discuss it now, because coming to 8.3 is going to be much later. Maybe I may repeat it at 8-3. Now, Bhuta Bhavod Bhavakaraha is a compound word with component words Bhuta, Bhava, Udbhava and Kara. The Vigraha Vakyam can be in 2 ways. Bhute, Bhuteshuva, Bhavasya Udbhavam Karoti Asau iti Bhuta Bhavod Bhavakara. Means karma is that Visargaha which Udbhavam Karoti, creates. Bhute, Bhuteshuva, Bhavasya, sensibility among creatures or creations. And another Vigraha Vakyam can be Bhutat Bhavaha, Bhavat Udbhavam Karoti Asau iti Bhuta Bhavod Bhavakaraha. Means karma is that Visargaha which Karoti, makes, causes to happen. Bhutat Bhavaha, present from the past. Bhutat, from the past. Bhavaha, present. And Bhavat Udbhavam, and future from the present. Bhavat, present. Udbhavam, future. In Applied Dictionary, Visargaha, sending forth, emission, shedding, pouring down, dropping. Puram Navina Chakrurapam Visargan Megha Nidaghat Glatapita Mivor Meme. Casting, discharge, Sarasya Dhanurvedas Savisargopa Samyama. Giving away, a gift, donation. Adanam he Visargaya Satam Vari Muchamyo. Where the word means pouring down also. Sending away, dismissal. Haranancha Visargancha. Shalvenacha Visarjanam. Creation, creating. Niyameja Visargecha. Bhutatva Manasastata. Secondary creation. Brahmano Guna Vaishamyad Visarga Paurusha Smrta. I like the second Vigraha Vakyam because it matches with the meaning of Visargaha in Aptej Dictionary. By that, one gets karma to be a non-stop chain reaction of cause and effect, a process of polymerization which continues all across the life, not only across one life, but from one life to another. This also means that a new karma for the present time emerges from the previous karma of the past. And a karma for the future emerges from karma of the present. This definition of karma appears to be just a starting point, and there can be a host of corollary questions. Does one indulge in only one karma at a time? I have often experienced that when I am doing some physical exercise, I can recite some japaha or mantra. Alongside, I may be churning some other different thought in my mind. This is parallel processing of three actions. Each of these activities has its own past, present, and future. How much is the time gap between the past, present, and future? There is both a micro measure and a macro measure. The micro measure is very subtle. When pronouncing the word very, the syllable re comes into the present from the future. But just after the syllable ve has gone into the past. But the macro measure can be very large. In very, the micro measure is very small. But the macro measure can be very large. If I can quote Newton's first law of motion, now, it is after 65 years after I first learnt it. So, what I learnt in the past, I can quote it in the present, future. So, the macro measure between past and present can be very large. Note, meaning of Visargaha is both sending away and creation. Sending away done karma into the past and creating to be done karma for the present. If the definition of karma is what presents itself to be done as a continuation of what has gone into the past, is there a choice to do or not to do karma? Maybe there is, especially when more than one karmani are in parallel process. Basically, the dialogue of Gita was caused because Arjuna did not think it fit to fight. His contention was that he had the choice to fight or not. For him, to fight was a karma. And in 4-18, the definition of buddhiman is karmanya karmaya pashyat. Akarmani cha karmaya. One who can see akarma in karma and karma in akarma. Though fighting is karma, he did see akarma in it. He was buddhiman. Sri Krishna Bhagavan wanted him to see karma in that akarma, which Arjuna was not seeing. Is that so? Also, Arjuna was not inclined to be krutna karma krut. He was not inclined to do every other karma. He was wondering whether it was right to fight the battle. He was buddhiman, but conditioned by whose own concepts and choices. Aren't we too like that only? Food for thought. Shubhamastu.